Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope your Friday was a good one. We didn't see any precipitation today. Boy, we've had plenty of it throughout the week, and just some low clouds out there for today. A little bit warmer as we look down at the Wenatchee Valley from our Wenatchee Heights Sky-Fi Tower camera. And Malcolm pointed out, you can see actually some ice floating in the Columbia River, even back behind me a little bit. Still some cold temperatures out there, but we are warming up, and we are going to see a big warm up as we get into next week. We'll talk more about that, but we have some wintry mixed weather to talk about for tonight. And of course, that's mainly Stevens Pass and Snoqualmie Pass, but also the Waterville area. You could see some slick roadways from maybe some mixed precipitation. Blewett Pass is also included in that, and maybe even down in the Wenatchee area and over into Chelan too. So keep that in mind for light snow and possible ice accumulations out there if you are traveling around tonight or early tomorrow. 37 our high today. 35 is where we should be for this time of year, and our record high is 52, and that was set in 1962. This morning, 30 degrees our overnight low. That's above where we should be. 25 is normal for this time of year, and 4 below is our record set in 1972. Sunrise 7:34 this morning, and the sun set at 4:53. All right, let's get you into those Saturday temperatures, and you're going to notice 40s on the map, especially in the Columbia Basin. Moses Lake, Quincy, Ephrata in the low 40s. We'll see about 38 in Wenatchee, also Eniat, and then a little bit warmer up Highway 97 into Omak, and a little bit cooler for Leavenworth and Lake Wenatchee with high temperatures tomorrow, predominantly in those mid-30s. All right, let's take a look at what we can expect, and it is a wet and warm weather pattern. Here we are back in Washington State. 1, 2, 3 storm systems set to move in on us, and it's on this southwesterly path moving it right into Washington State. So that's why we're going to see some very wet weather over the weekend and into the first part of next week. Tonight we can expect cloudy skies. That's right, a 100% chance that we will see some rain and snow, and that goes for almost all of the state. Even the lighter green is some heavier precipitation. We could see that along the west slopes of the Cascades tonight. For Saturday, cloudy skies, and folks, it's going to be a wet one to kick off our weekend. A 90% chance of rain, high temperatures in the upper 30s, almost a Pineapple Express type weather pattern setting up for us with that southwesterly flow. On Sunday to end our weekend, I think we'll see some fog to begin our day. A 50% chance of rain. Probably won't happen until later in the day. We are going to warm up on Sunday with that strong southerly flow of air. High temperatures on Sunday in the lower 40s. And then to kick off our next work week, mostly cloudy skies for Monday. Kind of an in-between storm day on Monday. A 40% chance of maybe just some evening showers. Going to warm up too with highs in the mid-40s. We're going to be 10 degrees above where we should be. And look what's coming on Tuesday. This is a huge area of low pressure out in the Pacific. It's going to bring us a 40% chance of rain during the day, but as this thing moves in on us in the nighttime, we're going to see some pretty good rain. Highs in the low to mid 40s on Tuesday, and then Wednesday going to be our wet day next week. Cloudy skies. There you have it. A 90% chance of rain statewide. We're going to see highs still mild, so it should be all rain with highs in the low 40s. And then getting into Thursday next week, this low is kind of in a holding pattern off the Washington coast. It'll bring us cloudy skies. Once again, a 60% chance of rain. Most of that will be in eastern Washington on Thursday with highs once again above normal in those low 40s. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. 34 overnight tonight. Rain likely overnight and on Saturday. 38 the high. 40 to 50% chance of rain Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. But look at those temperatures. The warmest day on Monday at 44 degrees, and then on Wednesday and Thursday back to the wet weather. We'll see a 90% chance of rain on Wednesday and 42, and then some clouds on Thursday, a 60% chance of rain with highs again, I think should be in those low 40s.